Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how can we create a SOAP project. As you would have seen the last video, I have installed SOAP UI and I've shown you the GUI version part of the SOAP. If you want to create projects, you can create from here, File, create a new SOAP project. This is one way. You can click on here, create a new SOAP project. It will open this file. If you want, you can click here, SOAP project. It will open this file. And the last method is create a SOAP project from here. So let me click on new SOAP project. So I have to give a project name. I'll write sample project. And you have to give a WSDL file. So I have a WSDL file. I'll paste it here. So this is a calculator.asmx file. So you need a WSDL file to initiate the SOAP project. Let us see what this WSDL file is about. Okay, before that let me click on OK. So it is loading everything. So we got all the web services. Let me minimize this. Let me paste it here. I'll click on enter. So this is nothing but an XML file. So this is add this simple calculator, but you wouldn't understand what are the web services available here. In order to understand web services what are available here, you have to install one extension. So navigate to the Chrome extensions and write Whistler. Click on it, and this is one of the Chrome extension. Click on it and just click on add to Chrome. So it will ask you for adding an extension. Just click on OK. Reload it. So click on Whistler. See, you can see the add, divide, multiply, subtract. So these are all the web services available in this particular document. Okay, now let's move on to SOAP UI. So since I have created a project, so I'll just show you while creating a SOAP project. It will ask you for WSDL file. Either you can type the WSDL file with the URL, or you can easily browse an XML document. So now when you added the WSDL document, Whistler document, so we have got two things, calculator SOAP and calculator SOAP 12. I will require only one, so I'll delete this. I'll remove. So I click on yes. These are basically requests. You can see add, divide, multiply, subtract. If I click on request 1, so it will just open an XML file. I hope it's visible in the screen. So you can see the question marks here. The question marks here, we can give the variable. Let's say I'm giving 5 and into b I'm giving 10. If I run here, just click on run. So I should get the output in the form of XML. So both it's possible. In the XML we got the add result as 50. So now, so you understood here, right? What are the requests? Normally we don't run like this. We create a test suite based on WSDL document. So here when you right click, the option will be there, generate test suite, and you can create a test suite. By default it's there. You can either choose one test case for each operation or single test case with one request for each operation. I'll click on that. For the time being you can select all, or if I want I'll select only two, add and subtract. Maybe in future we can see, but this is just to explain that we can select each and every checkbox or not. We'll see with add and subtract. Just click on OK. So this is the test suite name. So I'll just write calculator SOAP test suite. Click on OK. So here I'll minimize this. I'll open my test suite. In this test suite, these are the test cases which we have. So you can see test step we have here. We have either add. If you click on here, we have subtract. So let me just click on add. it will just look like this. This is add. Here we can give 40, 50. The result which we are expecting is 90. Just click on run. This is a raw file. Just click on XML. We will get 90. The same thing we can see with subtract. Just double click on subtract. This is a subtract. Add. Others you can remove. Can remove the start page also. If you want to expand, you can expand here. If you want to expand subtract, you can expand the subtract. So now I'll add here. Let's say I'm adding 90. So B I'm adding 50. Just let me click here to run. So I should get 40. Just click on XML document. I have got 40. So this is simple creation of a SOAP project, adding a test suite and a test cases. So now, once we have seen that the add one, if we double click it, we got 40 and 50, the 90 is the result. How we will validate, how we'll understand, okay, this is the correct result which we got, either in subtraction which we had 90 and 50, that is 40. How we'll validate that? In order to validate that, just click on the test step and add an assertion. You can see the assertions in the bottom. Just click on the assertions. One window will come up. Here you can see the plus symbol. Just click on plus. You'll get different things: property content, compliance status standard, script, SLA, JMS, security. So for now, in future we can see a lot of assertions. Here I just want to add property content. Just click on the contents, the search of the existing string. You can click on add. If you click on add, you can validate the content. If you want to click on ignore case, if you want to just compare Asha with capital A or small a, you just want to ignore the case. If you want the output like AZHAR or capital AZHAR, if you click this, it will compare that. If you want to use that as a regular expression, you can use that. But for now, I just want to validate whether 90 is there or not. Just click on OK. So you can see here my search is already passed. It says valid. If I want, I can run it again. So now assertion is already valid. We got an XML answer of a 90. So this is a positive scenario. So let us see negative scenario. So what if I am getting not 90? If the assertion fails, yes, failed. So missing token 19 response. Here we got 80. The similar thing we can apply for subtraction also. Okay, let me load the test step of subtraction. Here we got 40. Let me click on assertion. Click on plus. The recently used also you can click. The recently used which I use contents. Click on add. Now I'm searching for 40. Click on OK. Here assertion is already valid. So here you can run from like this. You can directly run this test case. Okay, just double click this test case. You can see here. You can see subtract test case will have this only has one test step. Now you can run from here also. So yeah, you'll get proper value and it will show subtract is okay and finished in 601 milliseconds. This is the two-way to run this test case with the test step and assertion added to it. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.